this whole linear time-space cosmos has come as the result of a death wish. So we shouldn't be surprised that there's suicide, there's depression, there's anxiety, there's fear, guilt, shame, pain. What would you expect from a death wish? And yet there is a way out, a way of bringing your mind into alignment, into attunement with the Spirit, so that you can find happiness. So imagine that your consciousness is like a hard drive, and all you're trying to do is trying to find the wipe disk instruction, which is the Spirit, which is the correction, which is the reinterpretation. It's going to wipe away everything that you seem to have learned, but it will leave you in bliss. It will leave you in limitless happiness and joy and freedom, because everything that has been learned of the ego. You've practiced this idea of separation in your mind so completely, so meticulously, that you forgot about innocence. You forgot about I amness. You forgot about joy. When you follow the ego's thought system, you feel helpless. You feel at the mercy of a vast world outside, and you feel so tiny and so small and so insignificant. But the ego has no power to make you do things unless you give it power to do so. So the ego has no power over you, no power over your mind, unless, this is the big unless, you give it that power. You made the ego by believing it, and you can dispel it by withdrawing your belief from it.